My name is Sam. I'm the owner of Sam's Restaurant and Gourmet Ice Cream. Uh, this is my place, and I've been in business for starting 13 years this year, and originally from Guinea, West Africa. The type of food we make here, we do a lot of stew, peanut chicken, peanut vegan, peanut goat, and a lot of other stuff. Chicken wings, fataya, plantain, Cornish hen. So we make a lot of good stuff here. Basically, my food is I consider it as a home cooking because this is how I grow up eating this type of food. It's a different, but please come try because you will like it. You know, introducing the community to a cuisine which is completely new to them. It was a challenge. My first 2 3 years was not easy, but I didn't give up. And then I continue, and people little by little discover what kind of food, how the food is good. Finally, thanks God, we're in business, but we just started at 13 years. I was in Limestone for 11 years, and I moved here last year, so this has been like a little bit over a year. And as you can see, we're doing some improvement with a new where we are going to, and so we can have some outside seating. Yep. So please come back, see us, and we'd like to introduce our food to people who are curious. Don't be afraid. You will like it. The dough looks like, but this we have a 10 flat ones, and I have a ground beef here. I make a little bit earlier, and what I will do with that is, as you can see, this is chopped onions. This is onions like this, and I start already chopped, but I can demo a little bit, just a little bit, to show you. You have to chop that very small, and be careful with the knife. It's very dangerous. So I mix that with that, and we have a fresh mint here. As you can see, I usually grow my own mint, but it's a winter time. Take some onions and put that. Try to mix that together again with my hands. So you have a beef, you have onion, and you have fresh mint. And the beef is already seasoned, so it tastes good. I try it because if you are a cook, always try the food to see if it tastes good before you use to people. All right, so I'm not gonna put all the onions. Just try to show you quickly. And this disco here, I open, and this is how the disco looks. It's a flat, and you put that down here, and you use the egg yolk, which I'll just pour a little bit, and I have my little brush. The reason I'm using this is, you will see, so I put that right there. Oh, can I have a fork? So you do that, and then you use this thing here to put a little bit. Thank you very much. So you put the meat, not too much, so you'll be able to close carefully. You move the plastic, and you do like that. And I use the fork too. So the reason I use the egg yolk, it's just so this dough can stick together when you pull like that. And bingo, this is fataya. This is how it looks. It looks like that one over there. So it's very simple thing, but very, very delicious. Vegetable are cut here, leftovers. I saved that, and because it's nice to make a compost. So we have this. So the fataya I made today, as I said earlier, it's with ground beef. But fataya, you can make it with chicken, you can make with vegetables mixed together, any way you want. Some people, this is beef, you can do with pork or lamb or goat, your choice. So I put that here, and so this is the oil, it's already warm, and I put the fataya. So remember how it looks like this, and then I put on the oil. And as you know, the meat is already cooked. So honestly, all you want is this to look brown, that's all. The dough to look brown, because everything in there you can eat as it is, you know. So good. So that's how fataya looks. And this is how the fataya looks. It's not beautiful. And then this is the topping. Just put that in here for the customers. And you know, have a little lid. Put on. And on to go. Good. So put this here and little topping. Voila. This is fataya. So it's very simple but delicious. And so that was for fataya. And now I'm going to show you a little bit about the fried plantains we serve here as a side also. And every server will do here rice or white rice, brown rice, or fufu. We put a little, you know, plantain next to that. So this is, I only have this demo. Be careful, the knife is kind of sharp. This end here, I'm not sure that's good. So 5 plantains give you a lot when you cut these pieces like this. Now I'm going to make some plantain anyway. So this is a plantain already cut. It's a little too big. Now plantain, we add a little bit of salt, which not too much. See, just go like that. Okay. Be careful with the oil, kind of dangerous. So for the fataya and the plantain, I use the same oil, same fat to fry them. And that's the only two things we fry here. Everything else is we cook it or grill it. You know, cooking is fun. It's just nice to you make something from scratch, and then you see the finished product, and then you serve yourself and enjoy it. Nothing like it. I like to cook, I like to eat, and you see it's changing the color a little bit, so got a little bit more to go, but yeah. You can make a little darker if you want, but I think this looks beautiful, and I think that's where I'm gonna stop. You do that and put a little bit the oil to drip, and that's it. That's it. The plantain. So, not too complicated. Just be careful with working around the oil to keep you don't hurt yourself or hurt somebody around you. Voila, that's a plantain. So that was my 2 demo to you guys today. I hope you learned something. Fataya and the plantain together.